Welcome to another tutorial with me, Professor Esther Dillard, where I teach technology with a commitment to keep it simple. Today's lesson is about teaching you how to write an outline for your speech and do it in the preferred MLA style in Google Docs. I'm going to do it in a little bit more than 3 minutes I usually prefer to do it in, but it'll be well worth it. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Google account and sign in. Then go to the applications icon, that's the 9 squares in the upper right. Click on it and go to your Google Drive. Then select New. Then move your cursor down to Google Docs, select it. Now you should have a blank page. Go up to the far left and make sure that you rename the untitled document to a named document that you can find pretty easily. I always do that. For my public speaking class, I ask students to put at the top of the paper to the far left what many English teachers will ask you to do. You're going to put a name and a few tidbits, and this is pretty standard for a paper or speech written in MLA style. So first, before you put everything down, you should probably select on the far left fonts, and you're going to pick Times New Roman, and you're going to select 12 point. Then you should go to Format, click on it, and you're going to select the spacing option and select double space. After you've done that, then you want to put your name first and last, the professor's name first and last. For me, my class, the public speaking class, I want the name of the assignment, then the name of the class, and finally the date. MLA style says the date should be the numeral first, the month, and then the year. Now underneath this you can start your paper or speech working outline in this case. You need a little title, and the title should be centered. Make sure that it's not bold, it's not underlined, it's not in all caps. It should be a standard title where you have the major words capitalize the first letter and articles are not capitalized. Then you start your paper. For my public speaking class, you can start by creating a small subheadline in caps that says Introduction to the far left. Then underneath that, you can keep it all in regular 12 point, regular letters, don't all have it all caps, and start with Roman numerals followed by letters and numbers. I'm going to paste a short example below. This is underneath your introduction, followed by, of course, your body and your conclusion. Remember, in a working outline for a speech, every single sentence you say in your speech has to be written out. And you have to put it along with Roman numerals or subsequent letters and numbers. Each main point should be supported by subpoints, and each subpoint supported by sub-subpoints. And that's how you build a working outline for a speech in Google Docs using MLA style. Well, I hope this tutorial did help you write your next outline for your speech, and if it did, please subscribe to that button below so then I know that I'm doing the right thing. And I'll see you the next time.